Welcome to 1002 Old Manor Road. This is a 1-bedroom, 1 full bath condominium on the lower level in the Briargate condo community in Northwest Columbia. Convenient to I-20 and 26, Harbison, and downtown Columbia as well. We're inside now. You can see the living room here on the right side, which is a nice size. You have a window looking out towards that side of the building. There's shared parking or just open parking in the lot outside. The living room connects to the dining area, which flows into the kitchen, which is a galley-style kitchen with an included electric stove, refrigerator, and dishwasher in the corner there. And you have a nice bit of cabinet space as well. You have 1 bedroom in the unit on the right side. Good sized window as well. It connects to a walk-through closet. You have hanging space and shelf space on the right side, and some additional on this side. And then this connects to the single bathroom, which is a full bathroom. You have a large countertop and a single single sink, medicine cabinet, and the shower and tub. And then there's a small linen closet back in this corner. And then this puts you right back out into the hallway, so you can access that bathroom both from the hall and from the master. And then last but not least, there's just a coat closet here at the end of the hall behind a small partition there. And that completes our tour of this home. Again, 1002 Old Manor Road in Briargate, Northwest Columbia. You can find out more information by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.